Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about inter and intra-regional cooperation and trade. This is an important topic in our geography NET exam, unit regional development and planning. Okay. In this class, we are going to learn about key definition and concept like regional cooperation, trade and blocks, prospects of cooperation, economic, political and cultural benefits, India's role, Look East, Act East, BIMSTEC and RCP, types of regional groupings, SAARC, ASEAN, European Union, AU, Mercosur, problems and challenges, barriers, conflicts and asymmetry, and PYQs and model answers and questions. Okay, let's start the class. Key definitions and concepts. Regional cooperation. Okay, what is regional cooperation? It means collective efforts by geographical proximate countries to achieve shared economic, political or social goals through formal agreements. Inter-regional trade, trade occurring among countries without the same region bloc, example trade among European Union member states and SAARC nations. Inter-regional trade, that means trade taking place between defined regions, regional blocks or groupings like European Union and ASEAN, then SAARC and Mercosur, etc. Trade bloc means a group of countries that reduce or eliminate trade barriers among themselves. FTA, CU, Common Market, Economic Union. Okay, these are some key definitions and concepts. Next, major regional groupings. Okay, SAARC. Full form is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay, it was established in 1985. There are 8 members and region occupied Southeast Asia, South Asia. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, established in 1967. It has 10 members and region Southeast Asia. European Union, EU, established in 1993. There are 27 members in European Union and region occupied Europe. AU, full form is African Union, established in 2002, 55 members, region Africa. Mercosur, Southern Common Market, established in 1991, 5 full members. Okay, occupied region is South America. BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative, established in 1997 and there are 7 members in region Bay of Bengal. Okay, these are some major regional groupings. Okay, levels of economic integration. First of all, preferential trade area, PTA. Okay, reduced tariffs on selected goods among members. Example, SAFTA partial. Then free trade area, FTA, zero tariffs among members, individual external tariffs. Example, NAFTA, USMCA, ASEAN, India, FTA. Then custom union, CU, FTA plus common external tariff for all members. Example, Mercosur, EAC. Then common market, CU plus free movement of labor and capital, European common market, pre-EU. Pre-EU, that means European Union. Economic Union, common market plus harmonized economic policies, European Union post-Maastricht. Then political union, full political and economic integration, theoretical European Union, partial. Okay, these are levels of economic integration according Babasa. Prospects of regional cooperation. Economic growth, expanded markets and economics of scale, increased FDI inflows into the region, reduced production cost through specialization, and political stability, conflict prevention through interdependence, joint diplomatic negotiations, peace dividend through cooperation, trade facilitation, reduced tariff and non-tariff barriers, harmonized customs procedures, common investment frameworks, social development, labor mobility and skill sharing, cultural exchanges and people-to-people ties, shared infrastructure, roads, rail, energy. Then there are some problems and challenges, political challenges, territorial disputes and border conflicts, lack of political will among member states, dominance of larger nations, one kind of hegemony. Economic challenges, asymmetric development among members, fear of trade diversion and widening deficit, non-tariff barriers, anti-bees and remain high. Structural challenges, poor connectivity infrastructure gap, similar export structures, competition is more than complementarity, and weak institutional mechanisms. social cultural issues, language, culture and religious differences, migration related tensions, lack of people to people contact. Okay, these are some problems and disadvantages of world, different kind of world trade organizations and forums. Okay, SAARC problems and prospects. Key fact: SAARC was founded in 1985 in Dhaka Declaration. On Dhaka Declaration, members India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and Afghanistan. GDP $4 trillion according to 2023. Population 1.2 billion, 25% of the world. Intra-SAARC trade less than 5% of total trade. SAFTA signed 2004, limited success, and headquarters Kathmandu, Nepal. Okay, problems are India-Pak political tensions, halt summits, non-implementation of SAFTA commitments, SAARC motor vehicles agreement blocked. Prospects: Energy Trade, Power Trade Agreement, BBI and Sub-Regional Connectivity Initiative, IT and Services Sector Cooperation, Cultural and Tourism Promotion. Then ASEAN Success Model of Integration, APSC, ASEAN Political Security Committee, AEC, ASEAN Economic Committee, ASCC, ASEAN Socio-Economic Community. APSC, Shared Norms and Values, Conflict Prevention Mechanisms, and ASEAN Way, Non-Interference. AEC, Single Market Production Base, Free Flow of Goods, Service and Capital, Intra-Asian Trade, more or less 23% of total. ASCC, Education, Human Development, Cultural Identity and Awareness, Environmental Sustainability. Okay, this is ASEAN. Then India's role in regional cooperation, Neighborhood First Policy, prioritizing South Asian neighbors, special line on credit to SAARC nations, COVID vaccines infrastructure in Bangladesh and Nepal. Act East Policy in 2014, successor to Look East Policy, deeper engagement with ASEAN, Japan, South Korea, focus on connectivity and trade and security. BIMSTEC leadership, Bay of Bengal Initiative for MST and economic cooperation. India as key driver post in SAARC stagnation. RCEP exists 2019. India existed RCEP citing concerns about trade deficit with China, dairy and agricultural sector. Indo-Pacific strategy, QARD, India, US, Japan, Australia, supply chain resilience and maritime security, counter to China's BRI. Bilateral FTAs with United Arab Emirates in 2022, Australia in 2022, UK ongoing, South-South operation through IBSA and BRICS. WTO, multilateralism versus regionalism. Multilateralism, WTO, non-discrimination, AMF and national treatment, Uruguay round in 1986 to 1994, WTO in 1995, Doha Development Agenda 2001 to installed, Dispute Settlement Mechanism, DSM, Trade Policy Review Mechanism, TPRM, Special and Differential Treatment for LDCs, Trade Facilitation Agreement, Bali 2017. Regionalization, PTAs and FTAs, faster to negotiate than WTO-wide deals. Trade creation, new trade among members, trade diversion away from efficient non-members. Spaghetti bowl effect, Bhagavati 1995. A stepping stone versus stumbling block debate, regional value chains, RBCs enabled. 300 plus RTAs now notified to WTO. Okay, this is the source of this concept, spaghetti bowl effect, and this is the source. Okay, now there are previous year questions. Which of the following is not a feature of SAFTA, common external tariff? SAFTA is an FTA, not a custom unions. The concept of trade diversion in regional trade agreements implies trade shifting from more efficient non-members to less efficient member country. BIMSTEC include which of the following countries? India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan, 7 members. India's Act East policy is primarily aimed at strengthening ties with East Asian economies for trade and connectivity. Okay, some most known terms and thinkers. Bela Belesa, 5-stage model of economic integration. Jacob Wiener in 1950 coined trade creation and trade diversion in custom unions. Bhagavati's spaghetti bowl, overlapping PTS causing complex, inconsistent trade rulers. New regionalism, post-COVID war wave of regional cooperation. ASEAN way, non-interference, consensus, informal in ASEAN decision making. SAFTA, South Asian FTA, law intra-SAARC trade despite the agreement. RCEP, regional comprehensive economic partnership, India opted out. NTBs, non-tariff barriers, sanitary, photosanitary and technical standards. BBI initiative, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, sub-regional connectivity. These are some important personalities or in terms and their significance and concepts. Okay, conceptual summary. Trade blocs are European Union, ASEAN, politics change, India's foreign policy, economic prospects, WTO and multilateralism, trade creation versus diversion. These are some regional cooperation and trade concepts. Okay, quick revision for the whole class. Know all 5 stages of balances for economic integration model. SARC versus BIMSTEC, members, objectives and India's papers important. Trade creation, positive versus trade diversion, negative, Jacob winner, important. SST pillars, APSC, AEC and ASCC. India's recap, RCEP exists, 2019. Trade deficit, agriculture, dairy concerns, WTO, MFN, national treatment, dispute settlement mechanism. Non-tariff barriers, NTB-SK challenge in South Asia, BBIN, BCIM, Sabah Port, India's connectivity to diplomacy. Okay, these are some checklists for revision for your UGC NET exam. Okay, that's all for today. If you are new in my class, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.